Assalamu alaikum.
Yes, please.
My question is, if we know that the Imam of the mosque is a mushrik or munafiq, we can pray behind him in the mosque?
Okay, the question is if he's Imam is a murshik or a munafiq, if you know, and can we pray behind him? That's your question. You see, even if you know and if he's leading the prayer, in the prayer you must understand we are not following him. We are following the commands of Allah that he is reciting the ayahs of Allah. We are not following him, we are following Allah. So if he's the Imam, he's a hypocrite, he's a mushrik, you know also. So if I am supposed there, I will join behind him. Because I know for a fact when he's going to stand in the prayer, he will recite the ayahs. In Arabic, I believe those ayahs. He bow, he prostrate, and I will do the same. You understand? So we can follow behind that in the mosque. But after he says Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, he invites you and start talking all this what he believes in hypocrisy and association if he is doing it. Then you can say to him Assalamu alaikum. Because you went to the mosque to pray. And the message that he delivered, whether he believes he's a hypocrite or he's associating with the message, he is accountable on the day of judgment. So any mosque which is facing to Kaaba, any mosque, I told you there are types of mosques. Mosque means every mosque is a half of the sacred mosque. But at the same time, there are people we have found out from the ayahs that there are people who are associates, there are people who are trying to do mischief, and there are people who are trying to do different aspects in the mosque also. So even if you identify, you can join in the prayer, but you cannot make them as your close intimate friends, or you should have a distance with them, but you can pray behind them. That's it.